Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got a package in the mail off eBay. I ordered this myself. Many of you will be very pleased to see what I have. This has been long in waiting. And finally, the day is coming. I ordered a radiator for my quad. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but they said it didn't leak. I'm going to have to go ahead and fill it right up. Actually, I'm going to have to go ahead and get it right on there. On the quad, earliest chance I get, and make sure it's all good. It doesn't look like there's any major damage. This side is the best. They did, of course, explain it was bent here and here, which is fine. The hose will fit and form around that. I'm surprised how light it is, empty. Yeah, it looks like although the fins themselves are smacked a little bit here and there, none of the water lines seem to be damaged. And that will be seen once we get this on there and get some antifreeze in it. So there's a project coming up, guys, getting the quad running. Now it has been sitting a while, so I will have to clean the carburetor again. Last time I had it, I tried to run it, the carb was gummed up. And it's going to need a battery, and I think it's going to need an impeller for the water cooling system because it was overheating when I got it. And I'm pretty sure it's either that or the thermostat, so I'll replace both them next chance I get. But the impeller is actually almost as expensive as the radiator was, which radiator I got cheap. Now, when I got the quad, I was in New York, and a radiator was going to cost me $800. I couldn't find any secondhand at the time on an internet search, and I gave up and I put the machine away for a while. Now, a little over 2 years later, here it is. I found a radiator for 40 some odd dollars with free shipping, and I have it from eBay. So we'll get that beast running and we'll have an awesome tool for the homestead. But again, I've still got to get the impeller and the thermostat, and then I'll put that thing together and get a nice tool out here. Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I've got a package arrived in the mail today. It's so long it won't fit on the camera. I hope I'm in camera view, yes. Met the mailman on the road personally today. It was pretty cool. We visited, talked about the hunt. He hand-delivered this to me on the road. Well, it's like a magician's trick. Look at the paper, comes and comes and comes. Look at that! Okay, good fire starting material. I have a feeling I know what this is. Oh wow. A telescopic 16-foot connect and clean telescopic pole. Ideal for high access cleaning without a ladder. That is going to help a lot. So it's got... That is huge. That is awesome. So, I wonder what that is. It's got a locking mechanism for something. I'll have to look. There's no instructions. I wonder what that is. There's some buttons here. But, wow, 16-foot extension. To be honest, okay, I'm not an engineer. I'm not that good. And I've tried duct taping a pole onto my broom handle, and that was a it was like, meh. It wasn't very successful. Somebody mentioned PVC pipe the other day, and of course I would have to go in to get PVC pipe to make that happen. But this pole is going to be so awesome because not only can I use it on my solar panels, but instead of going up on the garage roof, which is absolutely dangerous and deadly, or up on the ladder, which was terrifying last time, I can use my broom not only for the solar panels, but on the garage roof to clean the pine needles off. And believe me, that was not fun at all on a 21-foot extension ladder, hanging up there and trying to sweep with a broom while trying to not have the ladder fall off. It was not fun. So this is going to get some serious use throughout the different seasons of the year. So definitely, and it's snowing out again, so we'll be putting it to use. I'll probably get a nicer broom for it once I get a chance, but I'll take the push broom I've got and put it on there, and I'll be able to reach the panels. But like I said, it's going to help for the garage as well. So there's no note, no markings, nothing, but a lot of good fire starting material. Nothing, no. So whoever sent it, thank you very much. I will put that to good use here. Baby cat says thank you for the paper. Huh, baby cat? We don't get to see you very much, huh? Felix the cat. Felix! Say hi to everybody. That was his way of saying hi. There's Felix and the baby cat. Michelle's away right now, so baby cat and Felix are downstairs. Usually they've been hiding and keeping clear of her, so that's why you don't get to see her much. But she's loving that paper, and Felix just comfortable and happy on the floor. Say hi to everybody, Felix. He's happy. Hi guys. Well, this is another package that I received a while back that I always wanted to get on a video, but it was not enough for a video of its own. And today is package and video day. Package day. Yeah, I think you get the idea. Anyway, somebody sent me this. I'll keep his name private, and it is really cool. Somebody spent a lot of time on this to put this all together. There are some photos which I won't share with you. I'll keep them off there. There's a cover sheet. And here, do I have it the wrong way around? Somebody spent some considerable amount of time going through and printing me plans for greenhouses. Now, I'm still working on the greenhouse next to our tiny house slash chalet. I've been looking at not only these plans, but other greenhouses, which, by the way, you see around from time to time, using plywood and windows. And I may rebuild our greenhouse next year, the sidewalls entirely, by using all glass windows and framing it again entirely with plywood backing. So I may revamp the entire thing next year, and it'll be absolutely beautiful, plus very functional. So I got ideas here, because this is like a plywood greenhouse with some windows, and we're just going to browse through roost and feed platform details. So I'm wondering if, I'm not sure, this must be a chicken coop. There's a lot of, yeah, poultry house. That's a poultry house. So different ideas for changing, different types of design, how to make your sloped roof, and using pieces of wood to connect the boards together. There's a massive building, lath house, and there's quite a few sheets on that one. So all the details are on here, how to build these things. And I really am going to spend time this winter. I have already gone through these a few times, but I wanted to share with you guys. Here's a huge plastic hoop house with tie-down cords all the way along. It shows some details on end wall head detail, how to tie things off. Pipe frame greenhouse this is. So really some good stuff in here. And it shows every single detail. I mean, they really thought of everything. There's another page showing the siding, fiberglass siding, front wall. Here's a 28-foot greenhouse, and it looks more like a garage in construction, the way the trusses are set up. And they've even got, it says aspirator box for thermostats, peninsular workbenches, motorized vent, full length. There's so much detail in these. It's just really a lot of information for me to go through and get ideas. So I greatly appreciate it. I've been wanting to do this on a video for a while here and let you know, thank you for sending that stuff. This looks like a little barn. It says home greenhouse. And it looks like one of the Amish sheds in a way, the way it's built. That's exactly how they're put together. So, then again, there's other pages of all the details and construction. Now, because I am going to be somewhat building my own greenhouse, it's going to be a little bit more like this front wall on the long hoop house type greenhouse. But also what I've learned is they have, what's it called, kickboards or something along the sides, which is good to learn. Conduit extends into pipe. I don't know what all that is. There's so many details. So this is a plastic greenhouse. Look at all the fine details in connection with measurements and drawings. Really impressive. Here's a very simple garage style looking, or a shed style looking frame. Very basic plastic greenhouse again with all the details. Agriculture and home economics greenhouse with scissors truss. Oh, I've never actually seen something like that. That's unique. But I can certainly get ideas. Here's another. It looks almost like the previous one. I'm not sure. A braced rafter design, but definitely I'm getting ideas here as I go to mix and match. This is a mini hotbed and propagating frame. Really cool. So that is just a small grow bed, which I've actually seen some of these on the internet, and it's good to have it in writing and print. So I very much appreciate this. Hotbed and propagating frame, a little bit larger. Really cool. So essentially, this is a miniature grow bed with the greenhouse over the top. I mean, how cool is that? I've seen ideas for that, and it got me thinking, and then here we'll have it all. Now this is a purple martin birdhouse. So there we got some springtime projects, all the finest details on how to make it. And here we have a picnic table. A very basic picnic table that I can use, that I can build with wood from my own lumber mill. All the dimensions are there. It cannot get easier. Isn't that amazing? It's all right there. Here's a greenhouse cold frame. So this is just literally a cold frame where your vegetables grow in the dirt. You raise the lid, and you've got your little bit of protection to extend the growing season a little bit longer. Full details on construction. Here's a portable plastic greenhouse. Portable plastic greenhouse. How cool is that? Don't think that can raise the taxes. Hey, it's portable. Greenhouse framing. This is a big boy. This is a real big boy. Here we have Gothic rafter greenhouse. Got all kinds of boards in that one, but a very interesting frame here. a semi-permanent greenhouse, which is more along the lines of what I got right there. See that? Those are the this is almost exactly what I've got right there out in the garden. It's got all the ribs and it's all there. Look at that. How cool is that? So that shows you how to build that one. But I'm going to take bits and pieces from all of these and put it all together. Oh, there's a bench. They even have workbenches or sitting benches. Greenhouse pipe frame. There's a longer, like a hoop house with pipe frames and all details on how to set it up. So yeah, a lot of good stuff. So thank you very much. I've been wanting to put this up here on the internet for a while, and thank you for that. There's months of thinking, consideration. So thank you. Alright guys, that covers it for packages for today. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project and packages. Some of which are from people and some of which I ordered myself. Talk to you all later.